Alright, nakalive ba si attorney? Hindi. 9 hours ago. Attorney Buena, jurisprudence, mukhang mahina ang legal position ni Kaufman. 10 minutes. Okay, here we go. Bakit nga ba, attorney?
Cash it or debit?
You debit. Because Union Bank debit card pays you back.
Yeah, yeah.
Attorney Bueno!
Low and beyond.
Oh, oh, oh. Learn the line. Know you're right.
This is actually the third day of our the
Day three,
confirmation of charges.
charges.
So yung crimes against humanity charges against the former president na si Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Yes.
At nag-start na magsalita si Attorney Kaufman.
Kaufman.
And actually this is the opportunity on the part of the defense legal team
Of-
to formally submit their the rebuttal against the evidentiary presentation of the prosecution. Nagpakita ang prosecution ng kanilang mga dokumento na para patunayan na there is substantial grounds to believe that there is a need on the part of this court to continue with the proceedings and then conduct a full-blown trial against the former president. And this time on the third day of the proceedings, the defense counsel led by Kaufman will now try to rebut. No, i-debunk niya lahat yung ebidensya na prinisinta ng prosecution. And kanina nga ay ang sabi ko nga before the presentation, sabi ko that definitely the lawyer, the lead counsel will try to destroy the architecture of the architecture of
Wait lang guys
ano tawag dito, nawala ako.
Sige, attorney, kaya mo yan.
Ay,
But anyway, part...
they will
Yeah.
try to destroy what has been built for the last two hearings by the prosecution team.
Yeah. And one of that partner then na tinuran ni Kaufman during the day 3 ng confirmation of charges ng dating Pangulo, sinasabi niya, neutralization denotes lawful restraint. So sabi dito ng defense lawyer, Nicholas Kaufman, na nakaangka yung termino, nakapost sa ating sa XL News, yung terminong neutralization sa PNP Operational Procedures Manual, kung saan ayon kay dating PNP Chief Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, ang ibig sabihin nito ay pag-aresto. So sinasabi ito ni Kaufman, malinaw na hindi nag-abala ang mga investigador ng prosekusyon na basahin ang procedural manual na tinukoy ni De La Rosa. Isa yun, partner.
Okay, so ang argument nga ni Attorney Kaufman dito regarding the exact meaning of neutralization is that ito ay parang hyperbole lang naman kasi itong sinasabi ng dating presidente. Ang sabi niya, retorika to, hyperbole to, at wala siyang direct order to kill those who are involved in drug pushing. No? At ang kanyang pagsasalita nito ay talaga lang para takutin ng mga kriminal at hindi para patayin sila. Pero kanina nagtanong ang mga judges dito sa hearing on the third day of the proceedings na kung ito ba ay hyperbole, bakit kapag kada nagsasalita ang dating presidente ng Pilipinas na proteksyonan ko kayo, patayin nyo, pag nanlaban, patayin nyo pa rin, no? At palaging gano'n, I will kill you, kill them, no? I am going to give you the necessary protection when it comes to our double barrel program, itong war against drugs. So sabi ng mga judges, bakit gano'n? Kada nagsasalita ang presidente nyo, merong talagang parang may motivation to kill, no? At nandiyan yung reward system. And considering the fact na presidente yan, bakit may kapangyarihan naman siya? Bakit libo-libo na ang namamatay? Bakit hindi napipigilan? And yet, ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng motivation to the police officers to kill those who are engaged in drug pushing. So isa yun na hindi naman talaga na-rebut ng abogado ng dating presidente. So sa kabuuan, lumalabas dito na mukhang mahina yung legal position ni Kaufman sapagkat isa pa no yung sinasabi niya na mga isolated cases to ng mga pinatay ng mga pulis no dahil ang pagpatay ng mga pulis ay hindi naman directly coming from the orders of the former president. Kung meron mang namatay yung sinasabing 75 witnesses na tumitistigo ngayon sa International Criminal Court, ito ay mga individual decision of the police officers not acting within the bounds of the law. So the former president should not be held criminally liable for those criminal acts of the rogue police officers. No, they should be held responsible, but not the president, not directly responsible ang former president dito. Parang gano'n na sinabi ni Kaufman kanina. So wala siyang strong legal position that will directly exonerate the president. Kumbaga puro generalized statement or rebuttal ng kanyang pinagsasabi kanina dito sa third day of the proceedings.
Oo. And one of that also, partner, na tumugon din sa atin during the day 3 of confirmation of charges ng dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Sinasabi din ng lead counsel nga, lead defense counsel ni dating Pangulong Duterte, si Attorney Kaufman, sinasabi niya na hindi pambabasto sa mga namatay sa drug war. Sinasabi niya, binigyan din niya rito ng defense counsel na si Kaufman na hindi umano pambabastos, partner, attorney, sa mga namatay sa drug war ang mga inilatag ng depensa ni dating Pangulong Duterte para sa confirmation of charges. Ayan, ng dating Pangulong dyan sa ICC. Yun, isa pa yun sa tinuran din kanina dyan sa day 3, partner. Ilan lang yan. So, yun.
So, tapos na ba yung hearing kanina?
Tapos na, partner. Oo. Day 3.
Na-completed na, nag-closing na sila kanina.
Tapos na kanina at 1 hour ago, nakapost sa ating DZXL News official Facebook page natin. Natapos ng unang sesyon ng confirmation of charges hearing ng ICC. Ayan, sa ikatlong araw, partner. Ayun,
so very important dito, very significant yung definition of neutralization sapagkat sabi ng depensa ay itong neutralization is actually an order to arrest the suspects, an order to put them in jail. But this is not an order to kill them. So neutralization does not mean kill the people, but it means let them be held accountable for all the criminal activities like selling drugs, drug pushing, but there is no direct order coming from the president to kill the people involved in drugs. So ngayon, kung marerebat to or madidestroy nila itong contention na to, na ang definition ng neutralization ay hindi to kill but to arrest the people, then bahala yung tatlong judges kung maniniwala sila kay Kaufman sa ganyang legal position. Ayun, so definitely hindi maniniwala ang dito ang 3 judges, no. Most likely it's going to be a confirmation of charges instead of declining the charges against the president. So kasi hindi ganun ka-convincing yung mga pinagsasabi kanina ni Attorney Kaufman. It's more of generalization of what happened, tapos yung mga political ang kanyang statement kanina. Walang direct rebuttal.
Partner.
Walang direct rebuttal of the evidence presented by the prosecution kanina. So most likely it's going to be an uphill battle on the part of the defense. This is
Oo.
going to be very hard on their part to prove otherwise,
Oo,
no?
oo.
Yung kanilang case dito for Duterte. So mangyayari niyan, magtatagal talaga dyan sa kulungan si Duterte,
Dating Pangulo.
and he will spend a long time dyan sa The Hague, Netherlands,
yun
at baka abutan na siya na kung ano dyan.
Attorney Bueno, lo and beyond.